Hey everyone, welcome back. Lad from the Woods here at Winterfell Camp. Well, the day after the big ride, I finally unloaded the truck this morning. I'm in the middle of making some breakfast, some sausage and eggs. I haven't done a breakfast like this on a spring morning in a very long time. In the meantime, I hooked up the pressure sprayer because the ATV got pretty dirty on the ride yesterday. So I thought, well, while I'm cooking the potatoes and the sausage, I would fire up the ooh, that ever tight. Fire up the pressure sprayer and give the bike a good wash. I'm actually feeling good enough to actually have a ride today. I was really sore when I woke up, but not now. Now I did have a wake and bake this morning. That might have helped a bit. So anyway, I'm going to be kind of jumping in between, keeping an eye on my home fries. They're cooking right now, and the sausages are in the air fryer, so I'm not too worried about those. But yeah, so you may see me do a little bit and then jump out, that kind of thing. So how does that look? I can't tell. Hello. Now which one is which? The super sprayer, I can't remember. I think it's the green one. We'll know in a minute once I turn that machine on. Oh, that's the one I